I earn a small fee when you use the services I recommend. No extra cost to you, but it helps keep the content flowing. I choose them because they are the industry topper and you will get the best services from them. You feel it, don't you? That undeniable urge, that spark within you, that burning passion to create, to build, to turn molten metal into works of art and function. It's more than just a skill. It's a calling, a way to leave your mark on the world. Starting a welding business is more than just a job. It's about taking control, being your own boss, and bringing your unique skills to the world. It's about the freedom to innovate and the satisfaction of seeing your hard work come to life. It's about seeing a need and filling it with the strength of steel and the artistry of your craft. Every weld, every spark, is a testament to your dedication and creativity. Across America, from bustling cities to rural towns, the demand for skilled welders remains high. The opportunities are vast and varied, waiting for you to seize them. Are you ready to answer the call? To step into a world where your skills are not just needed, but celebrated? This step-by-step guide will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to turn your welding aspirations into a thriving reality. From the basics to the advanced techniques, we've got you covered. We'll cover everything from honing your skills to navigating the legal landscape, from finding the perfect location to attracting a loyal clientele. Every aspect of building your business will be explored in detail. Get ready to fire up your passion and weld your future. The journey starts now, and the possibilities are endless. Before you start fitting pipes or crafting custom gates, a solid foundation in welding is key. Formal training programs at vocational schools or community colleges provide a structured learning environment. These programs typically offer hands-on experience with different welding processes, safety protocols, and blueprint reading. Consider specializing in a high-demand area like pipeline welding or underwater welding to gain a competitive edge. Certifications from organizations like the American Welding Society, AWS, demonstrate your expertise to potential clients and employers. They prove you've met rigorous standards and possess the skills to deliver top-notch work. Keep learning and growing your skills throughout your welding career. The industry is constantly evolving with new techniques and technologies. Your welding equipment is your trusty sidekick, your partner in crime, your key to transforming metal into masterpieces. It's the backbone of your craft, enabling you to create strong, durable, and beautiful structures. Investing in high-quality, reliable gear is non-negotiable. It ensures not only the quality of your work, but also your safety and efficiency on the job. Start with the essentials: a welding machine, stick, MIG, or TIG, depending on your chosen niche, electrodes, and other basic tools. A welding helmet with proper eye protection, gloves, and protective clothing are must-haves. These items shield you from harmful sparks and intense light. Don't forget about safety equipment. A fire extinguisher, fume extractor, and proper ventilation systems are essential to prevent accidents and ensure a healthy workspace. A first aid kit is crucial for a safe working environment. It's always better to be prepared for any minor injuries that might occur. As your business grows, consider expanding your arsenal with specialized tools like plasma cutters, grinders, and welding positioners. These tools can significantly enhance your capabilities and efficiency. Remember, maintaining your equipment is just as important as buying it. Regular cleaning, inspection, and timely repairs will ensure its longevity and optimal performance. Proper maintenance not only extends the life of your tools, but also guarantees consistent, high-quality results in your projects. Every successful welding business starts with a well-defined plan. It's your roadmap to navigate the exciting journey ahead. Start by defining your target market. Will you focus on residential repairs, commercial construction, or artistic metalwork? Research your competition, identify your unique selling proposition, and outline your pricing strategy. A comprehensive business plan should also include financial projections. Estimate your startup costs, operating expenses, and projected revenue. Secure funding through small business loans, grants, or personal investment. Don't be afraid to seek guidance from experienced mentors or business advisors. They can provide invaluable insights and help you avoid common pitfalls. The legal weld forming your LLC with Bizee. You're at your workbench, sparks are flying, and you're in the zone, crafting something amazing. The hum of the tools, the glow of the metal, it's all coming together perfectly. Suddenly the phone rings. It's a lawyer with a complicated legal question about your business structure. Sounds stressful? It can be overwhelming, especially when you're trying to focus on your craft. That's where forming an LLC comes in. It's a game changer for small business owners. An LLC, or limited liability company, provides legal protection for your personal assets. This means that your personal savings, home, and other assets are protected from business liabilities. It separates your business finances from your personal finances, shielding you from personal liability in case of lawsuits or debts. And the best part? You can sleep easy knowing your personal assets are safe. Setting up an LLC is easier than you think, thanks to companies like Bizee. They make the process straightforward and hassle-free. Bizee streamlines the entire process, handling the paperwork and legalities, so you can focus on what you do best, welding. With Bizee, you get peace of mind and more time to perfect your craft. Getting Uncle Sam on board with Bizee. Next up, getting your business legit with the IRS. Don't worry, it's not as daunting as it sounds. You'll need an employer identification number, or EIN, which is like a social security number for your business. It allows you to open a business bank account, hire employees, and file taxes properly. Remember Bizee? They've got your back here too. Bizee makes obtaining your EIN a breeze. Simply provide some basic information about your business through their user-friendly platform, and they handle the rest. No more navigating confusing IRS forms or waiting in long lines. Bizee simplifies the process, saving you time and headaches. Location, setting up shop. Finding the right location for your welding business is crucial for its success. Consider factors like accessibility, visibility, and proximity to your target market. Will you operate from a home-based workshop, rent a commercial space, or purchase a dedicated facility? Ensure your chosen location complies with zoning regulations and has adequate space for your equipment, materials, and potential employees. A well-organized and inviting workspace will not only impress clients, but also enhance your productivity and safety. Don't underestimate the power of curb appeal. A clean, well-maintained exterior and a visible sign will attract attention and make a positive first impression. Spreading the word, marketing your welding prowess. Now that you've built a solid foundation, it's time to let the world know about your welding prowess. In today's digital age, having an online presence is essential. Create a professional website showcasing your services, portfolio, and contact information. Leverage the power of social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram to connect with potential clients, share your work, and build a community. Word-of-mouth marketing is incredibly powerful, especially in a specialized field like welding. Network with local businesses, contractors, and suppliers to generate referrals. Offer exceptional customer service, exceeding expectations to build a loyal clientele who will spread the word about your craftsmanship. Money matters, funding your venture. Starting a welding business requires an investment, but it doesn't have to break the bank. Create a detailed budget outlining your startup costs, including equipment, supplies, marketing materials, and legal fees. Explore funding options like small business loans, grants, or crowdfunding. Don't be afraid to get creative with financing. Consider leasing equipment instead of buying it outright, or partnering with another business to share costs. As your business grows, reinvest your profits wisely to expand your operations, upgrade your equipment, or hire skilled employees. Effective financial management is crucial for long-term sustainability and profitability. Safety first, protecting yourself and your business. Welding can be a dangerous profession if proper safety precautions are not taken. Prioritize safety from day one by creating a safe working environment for yourself and any employees you may hire in the future. Invest in high-quality personal protective equipment, including a welding helmet, gloves, fire-resistant clothing, and respiratory protection. Ensure your workspace is well ventilated, properly lit, and equipped with fire extinguishers, first aid kits, and emergency eye wash stations. Stay up to date on industry safety regulations and best practices. Regularly inspect your equipment for damage and maintain it according to manufacturer guidelines. Remember, a safe work environment is a productive work environment. Forging ahead. Tips for welding business success. Congratulations on taking the leap to start your own welding business. Remember, success in any entrepreneurial endeavor requires passion, dedication, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Stay true to your vision, never stop honing your skills, and always strive to exceed your clients' expectations. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth and view setbacks as valuable learning experiences. Surround yourself with a supportive network of mentors, fellow entrepreneurs, and industry professionals. And most importantly, never lose sight of the passion that ignited this journey in the first place. The world needs skilled welders like you. Now go out there and create something amazing. And hey, when you're ready to level up your business and make it official, check out Bizee for all your LLC and EIN needs. They make the process seamless and affordable, so you can focus on what really matters, building your empire. The future is yours for the taking, so get out there and crush it. If you're ready to dive deeper into the world of this business, hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos for even more tips, strategies, and inspiration. Let's make those dreams a reality, one hustle at a time.